In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create sender using Sendgrid. Creating a sender using Sendgrid is an important step if you want your emails to be sent from an address or domain that recipients can trust. It also helps improve deliverability because authentication confirms that your email is truly coming from you. Let us go through the process step by step at a pace that matches what you will see on screen. First, sign in to Twilio Sendgrid. When you open the Sendgrid dashboard, make sure you are logged into the correct account, especially if your organization manages multiple environments, like testing and production. After you sign in, you should land on your Sendgrid home or main dashboard page. Take a moment to confirm you are in the right workspace before moving on. Next, click Settings. This is where Sendgrid groups configuration options for your account and email services. You might see a sidebar or a menu along the side of the screen. Look for Settings and select it. This section usually contains the tools you need for managing authentication, sending policies, and other important controls. Now, click Sender Authentication. In many Sendgrid dashboards, sender authentication is a dedicated area under Settings. This is the place where you can set up verification for senders so that your emails align with authentication standards. Once you open Sender Authentication, you should see options related to verifying single senders or whole domains. From there, under Single Sender Verification, click Get Started. This is the path you will use when you want to verify a specific sender identity rather than an entire domain. Click Get Started to begin the setup flow. At this point, the screen may guide you through the details you need to confirm before Sendgrid can verify the sender. Then, enter the sender details. This is where you provide the information Sendgrid needs to identify the sender you want to authenticate. Carefully fill in the sender fields as requested by the form. Make sure everything is typed accurately and matches the sender you intend to use when sending emails. If there is any field for the from name or email address, confirm that it aligns with your actual sending identity. Accuracy matters here because verification depends on the exact details you submit. After you enter the sender details, click Create. This action submits your sender authentication request so Sendgrid can start the verification process. A confirmation message may appear, or the interface may move to the next part of the workflow. If you see a status indicator or a checklist, you are likely ready to complete verification through the email that Sendgrid sends. Next, open the verification email. After you create the sender, Sendgrid sends a verification message to the email address involved in the sender details you entered. Locate that inbox, or check any relevant email aliases or mailboxes you manage for sending. Open the verification email when you are ready, and review it so you can follow the exact instruction included in that message. Finally, click Verify Single Sender. In the verification email, there will be a link or button that completes the verification process. Click it to confirm that you have access to the sender address and that you authorize Sendgrid to verify it. Once you complete this step, you should return to the Sendgrid dashboard and see the sender authentication status update to verified or a similar confirmation. That covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.